Motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board that connects every computer component together. It allows the CPU, RAM, storage, and other parts to communicate and share data. It contains tiny electrical pathways called traces that act like roads for digital signals. Think of it like a city map where every building connects through streets. When you press the power button, signals travel across the motherboard to start every major component. CPU. The CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is the main processor that executes instructions from programs. It performs calculations, makes decisions, and controls how tasks are completed. Modern CPUs contain billions of tiny switches called transistors that turn signals on and off. It works like a brain, solving problems and telling the body what to do. Opening a browser or playing a video means the CPU is constantly processing thousands of instructions. Hard drive. The hard drive, or HDD, is a storage device that saves files and programs permanently. It stores data on spinning magnetic disks that a small arm reads and writes. Because it relies on moving parts, it is slower than newer solid-state storage. It works like a record player, where a needle moves across a spinning disk. Opening large files from a hard drive often takes longer because the disk must physically spin to find data. RAM. RAM, or Random Access Memory, is temporary memory that stores data the computer is actively using. It gives the CPU fast access to information needed for current tasks. Unlike storage, RAM clears everything when the computer shuts down. It works like a desk, where you place tools while working instead of storing them away. Opening many browser tabs uses more RAM because each tab needs quick working space. SSD. An SSD, or solid-state drive, is a type of storage that uses memory chips instead of spinning disks. It stores data using flash memory cells that can be accessed almost instantly. Because it has no moving parts, it is much faster and more durable than old hard drives. It feels like comparing instant messaging to sending physical mail. A computer with an SSD can start Windows in seconds instead of minutes. GPU. The GPU, or Graphics Processing Unit, is a processor designed to handle images, video, and visual effects. It calculates how pixels, lighting, and textures should appear on your screen. GPUs contain thousands of small cores built for handling many visual calculations at once. It works like a specialized artist compared to the CPU's general problem-solving role. Playing games or editing videos uses the GPU heavily to keep visuals smooth. Cooling system. The cooling system is the set of parts that remove heat from important computer components. It prevents the CPU and GPU from overheating and slowing down. Most systems use metal heat sinks and fans to move heat into the air. It works like a car radiator that stops an engine from getting too hot. When temperatures rise, fans spin faster to push hot air away from the hardware. Wireless card. The wireless card is the component that allows a computer to connect to Wi-Fi networks. It sends and receives radio signals between your computer and a router. Many wireless cards include small antennas to improve signal strength and stability. It works like a phone, picking up signals from a nearby cell tower. Downloading a file over Wi-Fi depends on this card maintaining a stable connection. Power supply. The power supply, or PSU, is the component that converts wall electricity into usable power for the computer. It delivers the correct voltage to each part through different cables. Good power supplies also include protection circuits to prevent damage from power spikes. It works like a power station, distributing electricity safely to different buildings. A weak PSU can cause random shutdowns when the system demands more power. Case. The case is the outer shell that holds and protects all the computer components. It provides mounting points for the motherboard, storage drives, and cooling systems. Most cases are designed with airflow paths to help keep temperatures under control. It works like a house that keeps everything organized and protected inside. A well-designed case makes building, upgrading, and cleaning a computer much easier. If this breakdown was useful, give it a like, subscribe for more deep dive tech content, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video.